Hello, this is Tom Prendergast, the CEO of Markethive, and today we're going to cover the referral program. Now, the referral program is very important for you to set up and use because it's going to help you get referrals, and it's really important to get the referrals because 3 referrals activates the faucet. Do you know what a faucet is? That means everything you do in Markethive begins to pay you micropayments of coin, and that can add up substantially and can mean a fair amount of income as we get going and the coin grows in demand, which grows in the value of the coin. Now up here, this little thing here, this shows your coin clip balance. You'll see this grow after you've activated your referral programs. Alright, so in the referral program you have a profile page. Now, your profile page really is kind of like a hub for all your blogs, your images, your resume, your friends, your backlinks. It is really a hub. Do I recommend that you send people to your profile page? No, I don't. Because there's a lot of activity going on and people could get sidetracked. They could go to the blog post, and from one blog post to another, they'll see another blog post, and they can wind up signing up underneath somebody else. But it's important to have your profile page because it does brand you, and when people are searching you, they'll find this, and the odds are pretty good they're going to sign up with you, but they're going to find out more about you, so that's why the profile page is so important. Now, we go back to the referral program. You have what we've made for you, a default capture page. Now, this default capture page is really nice. You don't have to do anything with it. You can just point people to it, and it only works to sign people up. There's no misleading links on it or anything. There's a place where they can learn more. Starts to play a video. Really nice video, by the way. And then they've got their sign up icons here for upgrading or registering into the group. So you want to know what that link is. That link is up here. It's your username page, your username. And then the other thing that you want to use a lot of, and that is in the referral page, in the referral program, share your referral link. Now it helps if you're logged in, so go log into your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and your Pinterest. A lot more will be going here as we go. And so I want to promote my referral link. I just click on share on Facebook, and I can say something here or not. Hello, please join me for free, or whatever you want to say, something you feel comfortable saying. You can publish it to your newsfeed or to your story. There's a lot of different places you can publish it. I'm going to publish it to my newsfeed. See, that's checked. Or you can publish it to different groups that you have to be on, or pages that you control. I'm just going to keep it simple, KISS, and post to Facebook to my newsfeed. Now, just to show you that it's published there, I'm going to go look. And there it is. This little image here, we have about 20 or 30 of them. They will rotate from time to time, so it's not always the same image. Okay, so now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to do it on Twitter. Works a little bit different. They all do. And I could add more information here if I want. I'm just going to click the tweet. It's all done. Go to Twitter. Since I'm logged in, and I'll see what I just did. And there it is. See, it's different this time. It changed to that. Okay, and sometimes it even publishes a video. This one is just a graphic. Okay. All right, now we're going to go do our LinkedIn. Same basic thing. It's a little different because each social network is a little different. I want to share on a post, so I'm going to click here. And I could say something about it up here if I want to. And post. View post. And there it is. How is everyone? Okay, that's LinkedIn. Then I'm going to go to my Pinterest. I think I'm logged into Pinterest. And I'm going to save it to join the Hive. Send. Or see it now. See it now. And it's chosen a different image. If these images are random, there it is, right there. I just published that. Okay. So what we recommend that you do is, right now, set yourself a timer. If you've got a browser timer, which I have several, set your browser for like 30 minutes to come back and do it again in 30 minutes, and just stay consistent with it. And you'll see that people will start signing up into your business. Now, where are they going to be if you are a free member? You're going to see them sign up here in a place called Friends. And they're going to be in the referrals. You'll start to see these numbers gain. Now, when you become upgraded entrepreneur, you'll be able to access more information on them as associates, and you'll start getting matching bonuses and a whole lot of other perks. That's all there is to it. That is the simplicity of referral program. A lot of people ask us, well, what do I do? I've signed up. This is what you do. Thank you.